Hi everybody, today's focus is all about my viewers. So I recently hit 10,000 subscribers and I wanted to make a video to show my appreciation for my viewers. First of all, I can't even believe that I've hit 10,000 subscribers. It's absolutely crazy to me, but I'm really happy that I have. I have the best viewers ever. Let me tell you, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. I love waking up in the morning and then seeing all the comments on my videos. Everyone always makes some really cool suggestions, ideas, helpful criticism, and I absolutely love this little field of focus community. I want to give some special shout outs to some groups of people. First, let me start with my Patreon members. So I have a Patreon page, and the link to that is in the description below. And I have a tier, it's called Hyper Focused, and it's $5 a month. So for $5 a month you get, and I wrote it down so I didn't forget, polling to help me decide what products to test and what video to release next, exclusive access to Patreon only activity feed, which includes early access sneak peek videos. Actually, I usually give them the full video right when I'm finished with it. Sometimes my Patreons get videos like, I don't know, 4 or 6 weeks before I release them. Sneak peek results of my experiments, some product reviews and stuff like that. And it also includes a Patreon only chat community that if you're a member, you can be a part of the chat feed. And I give a shout out to my Patreon members in the description of all my videos. I add people's names as they become Patreons. So I want to give a shout out to my current Patreons. Right now my Patreons are Vivian, Katie, Jamie, Kimberly, C. Leonard, and Kayla. I also have a list of people who were Patreon members and supported me in that way, and that list is Mary, Ryan, Stephanie, Pamela, and Micah. So thank you all very much for supporting me on Patreon, and I hope you guys have enjoyed some of the videos that I post where I'm just kind of troubleshooting and talking about what's going on and what I have to do next. I really appreciate my Patreon community. Next up, I want to thank the viewers that gave me a super thanks. Those people are CDGMR1, Hail YouTube, Bereaver, Micah, E Minor, Terry, and Kenneth. Thank you so much for giving me a super thanks. I really, really appreciate it. Next up, I want to thank the people that give me PayPal support. So I have links to both my PayPal and my Venmo in the description below. And these people have sent me money via PayPal. The Sweet Pea, Highland Rim Studio, Nitsy Chick, Micah, Michelle, and Julie. Thank you very much for your support. I also had a Buy Me Coffee account, but I stopped that a while ago. But I did have 2 viewers buy me a coffee, so I want to make sure I thank Filda and TJ. Thank you for your support by buying me a coffee. Then I've had those viewers who've mailed me a product. Heather mailed me the Enviro1 concentrated cleaner. Thomas mailed me the CLR Brilliant Bath. Kayla mailed me the Caldrea Multi-Surface Cleaner. Pamela mailed me the 2 plant therapy cleaners. Jennifer mailed me the Method all-purpose cleaner. Someone anonymous mailed me Odoban. Catherine mailed me the Downy Rinse and Refresh. Julie mailed me the Branch Basics, Mama Suds, and Thieves. Katie mailed me the Lysol all-purpose spray and the E-Cloth starter kit. So thank you all very much for mailing me products that I've been able to test for this channel. Then I've had some sponsorships. I want to give a shout out to the companies that have mailed me products in exchange for my review. Force of Nature, the Bucko, the Cool Gadget X Cool Handheld Vacuum, the Joy Moop Mop, Aerobrose LS1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, and Lucaside. So the interesting thing about sponsorships is that, so I've done, how many? Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've done 5 sponsorships where companies send me something for free. However, you guys, I get probably 5 to 10 a week where people email me asking me to make videos for their products. I'm very picky with the products that I choose to test and take as a sponsorship because I really want to make sure my viewers will benefit from seeing the product. Now, I've gotten a lot of offers for clothing, jewelry, makeup, supplements. Those are probably the biggest. So clothing, jewelry, makeup, supplements. I get several of those a week. Now, I don't really wear makeup. My clothing, well, it is what it is. You guys see what I wear. I'm not a very fancy person. I don't wear jewelry, just not my thing. In supplements, I have some supplements, but it's not relevant to this channel. I've also had some other interesting ones. Oh, there was I think it was a battery operated chainsaw. My kids really wanted me to do that. They thought that would be funny. I've had offers to test different lighting, which I've considered because I could use lighting when I'm making my videos, but my videos aren't about how to make videos, so I didn't take the lighting. I've also gotten offers to test electric toothbrushes and just so many different products. Like if there's a product you can imagine, someone's probably emailed me and asked me to test it. However, I really do try to only test products that I think my viewers are going to be interested in seeing. I also want to give a shout out and a thank you to every single one of you who comments on my videos. I read every single comment and I do my absolute best to reply to every single person, because I want to let you know how much I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my video and comment. Included in those comments, I often have a lot of viewer suggestions. So I stopped counting when I hit about 1,000 suggestions. You guys come up with so many amazing things for me to test. I will never run out of videos to make because there are so many different cleaning items to test. I have a Google Sheets where I write down the video that it comes from and what the suggestion is, and I printed it today because I was like, oh, maybe I should take a look through it, you know, while I'm waiting for my kids. They're doing some activities, and it was like 15 pages long of suggestions. You guys, it's fantastic. I appreciate every single suggestion. I also want to thank the people who like my Instagram posts and my Facebook page. Now, I know I don't post enough there. I don't know. I just cannot seem to get into the rhythm of posting on Instagram and Facebook. I'm trying to do more. That's one of my goals for the fall. It was my goal for the summer, but it's already like the middle of July and I'm not quite there yet. So I might have to push that goal off to the fall, where I try to make a more consistent posting schedule for my Instagram. Oh, and TikTok too. I forgot that. I do have some videos on TikTok. So thank you for the people who watch on that also. So yeah, so I have TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for liking all those posts and commenting on those posts. Just know that I'm doing my best to try to post more there. I've been focusing just so much right now on making just real videos that sometimes it slips my mind to post on social media. So thank you so much for supporting me. It means so much. It's so fun for me to see how many people are actually interested in seeing how well products work. You know, it's good to see that it's not just me, right? It's not just me that says, you know, does this spray work? If I buy this and I use it in my home, is it really removing the bacteria? I don't know, but it's so nice to see that there's so many people interested in this testing. So I want to encourage you to keep commenting. I love reading those comments. I love reading what my viewers want me to test next. It's so encouraging to see so many people who actually like cleaning products and like testing cleaning products. If you'd like to support me in other ways, you can always like my videos. That's very simple to do. You could share my videos with people that you think would like this sort of content. You can subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Again, share it with someone else and maybe they subscribe. Or you can join my Patreon page. That's just $5 a month. Or send me something via PayPal or Venmo. I truly appreciate all of your support, and I love creating videos for my amazing Field of Focus community. Thank you all so much. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.